What is up, you guys? Happy Halloween. It is mayhem here. We have a huge setup on our front lawn like we do every year because we live on a corner. We set it up with a huge cauldron with smoke coming out. We have a cemetery. We have Jess outside completely covered with his microphone that he uses for his shows. And we have speakers everywhere and an old bell that he makes all the kids ring, and he puts on this huge show. So that is going on right now. I am wearing my little pumpkin shirt here. I'm going to be putting on my costume in a little bit. Going to be heading outside to help with the theatrics. But right now, I have on the stove, we are doing this spaghetti squash and that harvest sauce again. Nellie, do you want to put your costume on? All right, we're going to put the costumes on the dogs. We're going to head outside. We're going to let this cook, and then we'll see you in a little bit. Let me take you outside. You won't believe what you're going to see. Yes, let's get the costumes. Here we go. Oh, yes, you are a strawberry ready to get outside. Oh, it's a fruit salad. It's a fruit salad. Look at Paisley. She's a banana. And Nellie's a strawberry. Yes, Halloween 2025. And we've got Brittany. What are you, Britt?
Me and Corey are gizmos.
Yes, you two are gizmos, all right.
Yeah.
Yes, so sweet, Paisley. All right, who wants to go
Good job. It's moving now. Don't do it, no. Not to do it. You can do better. You wanna try again? You wanna try it again? There you go. Much better. Good job. Hello, children. Happy Halloween. Would you like?
Fun night last night. So much fun. There were tons of kids, tons. We went through 4 bags of 185 piece candies. If I could just say something though, I don't just hand out one piece. We give very generously, and so it should be. I think it's a kids' holiday, and we had a great time. Nellie wants to go out, but I want to show you what I'm having. This is, like I said, it's later in the day. It's almost noontime. And I made this concoction. I love it. I make it quite often. Oops, sorry about the camera angle. It's the healthy noodles, and I added a little bit of the sauce I made last night with the spaghetti squash. And then I did a 1/4 cup of cottage cheese and cooked it in the microwave for about 3 minutes. So that's lunch. Here we go. Jess and I are heading over to the gym right now. And the poor guy is in so much pain. He hurt his back yesterday. We don't know what he did. Oh, this poor thing. But I have a Black Card membership to where we're going. So I'm going to get him onto the hydro bed and the massage chairs and try to loosen up his back a little bit. We're going to do some cardio. I'm going to do some lifting. I don't know if he'll be able to do it, to be honest. Right now, he's inside 7-Eleven. We're going to get some water bottles, and we're going to get back into the gym, guys. Back into the gym. It has been several months of not going, and I miss it, and so does he. And you know what? Like we were saying today, when you have a week of work where you could be stressed out or it just when you go to the gym and you bang out a day, you just feel so much better. So much better. And for me, it will help tone up some of the looseness that I have after losing the weight that I have lost. In fact, I should give you a little bit of an update. Guys, I hit 60 pounds down. Whoop, whoop, 60 pounds. It took me, so we're in October now, June, July. So it took me 1 year and 4 months to lose 60 pounds. And I never thought, truthfully, that I would get here. I am so grateful to the company called Fridays. That is who I've been with this entire time. I do a compound tirzepatide. And if any of you are thinking about it and want to test it out, comment below and let me know. I will also put in the description box a code for you. So you can get $60 off. They provided me with a code for my followers, for friends, for family, whomever, but you'll be able to get $60 off. And a lot of you ask me too, how much do I pay for it? So I pay $379 per month, regardless of the dosage. So I feel like that has been, it's not, for a lot of people, it's not something that comes easy. For me, fortunately, I can afford it. And I feel like because I need the medication, it's not really so much a want anymore. I wish my health insurance covered it, but it doesn't. So I have to pay out of pocket. It is a price that I'm willing to pay until my insurance covers it, because it's keeping me healthy. It got rid of my insulin resistance because, actually, wait, whoa, rewind. The medicine did not get rid of my insulin resistance. What happened? Well, all right, so partially maybe. I'm all discombobulated. The medication is a tool. The medication will do nothing if you don't put effort in. It's a tool. For me, I'm deficient on the 2 hormones, GLP, GIP, so the medication helps me. And here comes Jess, so we will revisit this back in just a little bit. Here comes Jess with the water bottles. Let me open my door. Sorry about the dirty windows. We had heavy rain the other day, and I haven't had a chance to wash the van.
Greetings, my darling.
My darling.
Here,
oh, thank you. Gym water.
And you know the world has changed when the guy that worked the desk of Strong and Shapely is now going to Planet Fitness with a coffee. Limping.
I told everybody about your back.
Limping to Planet Fitness with a coffee. Yeah.
This is what happens when you don't go to the gym. We got to start going again. And so we are. Because when you stop going to the gym, you atrophy, your muscles don't work like they used to. And so my darling, here he is, getting into the van. Oh, you poor thing. Ah. Oh.
I need Senior Nest home care.
I have some good aids for you, Jess. I have some good aids.
The only aids I need are Band-Aids.
You probably need a new band, too. Workout complete. And guess what? We did the massage chairs, didn't we? We did. And just when I figured out exactly where I wanted it, it ended. It ended. I was like, ooh, this feels good. And I'm laying back. And then all of a sudden it's like, ah, that feels so good. And then it's like, whoop. Would you like yours?
451 days since the last time I clicked in. And
Wow.
I think that was to use the restroom.
Yeah, Jess used to work out every day. We used to come sometimes twice a day back in the day.
My leg feels so much better.
Yeah, we're loosey-goosey. Woohoo!
No,
Where are we
we're
going
not,
now?
no.
Well, I am. I feel good.
Let's go to Frank's Pizza.
That's not the Frank's Pizza that we go to.
All right, then let's go look for dining room chairs.
Okay, from the gym?
Good.
We can't go
They're
like
not
this.
going to try to rip me off.
We
Like, let these broke bastards in there.
we are at BJ's right now getting 2 staples, tuna and avocados, baby. Tuna and avocados. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day and we just turned our clocks back. Well, they actually do it on their own. It's pretty much like noon, but it's 11 here now. It's so weird. Having my first meal of the day. On the bottom here is 1 cup of the Trader Joe's potato, onion, and pepper. It comes in a frozen bag and I microwaved it for 5 minutes. Then I have 2 Eggland Best eggs and a 1/4 cup of Breakstone 2% cottage cheese. This is breakfast. It has 29 grams of protein, 320 calories, and tons of yummy flavor. So we're gonna do another gym day today. So I'm gonna eat this, go get dressed, and we're gonna head to the gym. I figured I would show you what the bag looks like. Here it is. Roasted potatoes with peppers and onions. I'm just gonna talk about these macros. 170 calories for 1 cup, 9 grams of fat, and it's healthy fat. I believe there's here olive oil inside of this. So there's no seed oils. It has 20 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of protein, and 2 grams of fiber. So a really good whole food carbohydrate, which you know you have to eat carbs. You have to eat carbs if you're insulin resistant, if you're on a GLP-1. They say to eat carbs. If you look at the research, don't try to hold back. Just limit what you're eating portion-wise. Stick to portions. 1 serving size of this is a cup. So that's what I had. And the 2 eggs and a 1/4 cup of this is also a serving size. So with the 2 things, I'm getting such a balanced meal, adding in the eggs. And I did spray my skillet with a little bit of avocado oil just to keep the eggs from sticking. So again, 29 grams of protein in this breakfast. I'm going to eat, guys. Then we're going to the gym, like I said before. Before I go eat, I do want to show you, look at the potatoes. They're seasoned so nice. There's like a rosemary flavor. So delicious. I love having this for breakfast. I do it quite often. And this meal will literally keep me full way until later, like dinner time, literally. Well, the day kind of got away from us all, but we are at dinner time and I want to show you what I made. So I love those skinny noodles. You all know this. If you're new here, here's what it is. I get these at any grocery store, Whole Foods, ShopRite. The entire bag is about 7.5 calories. 2 servings in a bag, 4 calories per serving. I absolutely love this. It's such a great substitution for pasta. And I made this and I put the Autumn Harvest sauce on it that I showed you the other day. And I added just a little bit of Rayo's pizza sauce, probably about a tablespoon. And I put it in a plate. Here it is, or actually it was a baking dish, and I cooked the salmon separately and the noodles and the sauce separately, and then I combined it, added a little fresh pecorino romano for a 5-point dinner, guys. 5 points.